Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Phone unlocked, Bluetooth on, and your voice assistant enabled. Open settings and enable call announcements and microphone permissions. Tap permissions, then toggle microphone and phone. Next, pair your headset or car system. Put device in pairing mode, select it from Bluetooth list, and confirm on-screen code if prompted. Once paired, open the phone app, go to call settings, and enable answer with voice or voice commands. Now you're ready to accept calls hands-free. Speak clearly to train recognition. Once the assistant is active, test voice detection with an incoming call. Ask someone to call you while you keep the phone at normal distance. Say the wake phrase and the command to answer, for example. Hey assistant, answer call. If misfires occur, open voice match settings and retrain voice model. Speak the sample phrases naturally in a quiet room. Adjust sensitivity if available, and enable automatic call routing to headset or speaker so audio flows correctly. Monitor permissions periodically to prevent interruptions. To finish, customize in-call responses and confirm fallback behavior. Set auto-answer delay, preferred output, earpiece, speaker, Bluetooth, and whether to announce caller ID. Practice with varied background noise levels to verify reliability. If the assistant cannot hear you, first check microphone access and physical blockers. Remove cases, wipe mic ports, and disable noise reduction temporarily. If problems persist, reboot the device, update the assistant app, and repair Bluetooth devices. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.